Hi, I'm Dara Khosrowshahi, CEO of Uber, and this is Loki, Chief Pet Officer of the Khosrowshahi household. Today, Loki and I are proud to announce that Uber is joining the Betty White Challenge, donating $50,000 to the great folks at the ASPCA who are going to pass it on to shelters all around the country. While we're on the topic of pets, I want to address something that has been bugging a few of our furry friends apparently. You might have seen our Uber Eats commercials, the ones that end with a doorbell. That doorbell is supposed to excite people that their food is arriving. But apparently it's also caused some overexcitement as it relates to our lovely canine companions. It was never our intention to stress out your pups, and I sincerely apologize. So Loki and I are going to make it right. In the spirit of the challenge, we'd like to offer $10 to our customers right now for you to go to Uber Eats to buy any kind of pet supplies, because nothing says I'm sorry like a new chew toy. Definitely no Loki would agree with that. Thank you to Betty for being such a leader in animal rights. And thank you to our furry friends who are always there for us, especially during these times.